Hey, how's it going, everybody? We got another video for you guys today. I appreciate you coming back to the channel. And yeah, let's get right into it. So in the last video, you guys probably saw me testing out my GK angle kit, and I sent her pretty hard, right? And doing that, I believe I threw out my throwout bearing and possibly first gear on my clutch, because the last couple days it's been kind of stalling out on me driving and whatnot, and I can hear the throwout bearing. She's squealing pretty bad, and that's new. I've never really had that issue, but my clutch has been sticking ever since I bought it. When it gets really hot, it'll actually kind of stick halfway down, and I have to kind of release it and whatnot. Well, come to find out, that's a sign of the clutch going out, and I didn't know that. So today we got a little nice upgrade. Went ahead and spent a little bit of money on her. Went with the Z1 Performance clutch, the Mild Performance clutch. They were having a freedom sale, so I took advantage of that. Got a couple goodies with her too. I went friction plate. Went with the 6-puck. This will be my second clutch with a 6-puck on it, but I've never got to feel a new one, so I'm super excited about that. Steel braided line, clutch cable line. And then, I believe in here we just have an upgraded clutch fork, nothing too fancy. So yeah, I'm going to be driving over to Tim's, and we're going to be hanging out in his garage today, pulling the trans and getting into this. So wish me luck. Alright, catch you in a little bit. Yeah, that's me just pushing in the clutch, guys. You can definitely tell the throwout bearing's bad. My clutch pedal is actually stuck to the floor. Took a couple seconds for it to pop out, but I should be able to get to Tim, so wish me luck, and here we go. So we got the Z up on jack stands, trans up here, and from the video we watched, it looks like that we need to actually remove this Y pipe right here. So I'll go ahead and unbolt those bolts, and these bolts on each side. Oh man, dude, these bolts look rusty.
I know, I'm pulling on it. So, I tell you, pull the drive shaft towards the back. It's all yours.
Pulling her straight back?
Yep.
Dude, this thing's light as hell.
Yeah, it's carbon fiber.
Hello. Look at that. Really? Oh.
Strip the end of it. Looks like maybe. Watch out, that's hot. Woo!
Looks like a fucking newspaper inside of this.
Really like next to you. Huh?
Looks like a fucking like newspaper
It's a
inside.
honeycomb. I call it a honeycomb.
Alright guys, trans is out. That was a little bit of a pain, not gonna lie. And yeah. It's safe to say that we roasted the clutch. The flywheel actually is savable, luckily, we're hoping. So we're gonna go ahead and send that, but yeah. It's pretty crazy in here. We got the new ball, we're gonna change that out. But yeah. We had to rent these from O'Reilly's, and wow, come to find out we didn't even need it. Tim pulled the bearing out with his finger. Jesus. Roasted it. Clutch is all in, just torquing her down. My clutch matches my calipers. That's not too bad.
Alright, don't have too much fun.
Oh yeah. Alright guys, we got the car started. Clutch is feeling very, very springy. I tried going in reverse a little bit. It engages fast. Definitely a lot different than what I'm used to, so yeah, we're gonna pull her out of the garage and I'm gonna take her for a little test drive. Tim recommended going about 500 miles, so taking it easy for about 500 miles, break the clutch in and whatnot. Can't be hooning it on it too much like my last video. Alright, here we go, in reverse. Oh wow, dude, that engages right away. Holy. Oh my god, dude. This doesn't feel right. I mean, like, it does feel right. It's just like, holy. We got Tim in the background, the 240. Oh my god, dude. Yo, it's so springy. Oh my god, dude. Holy shit, okay. That's gonna take some getting used to. Oh yeah, it engages right away. Holy crap. I guess you don't really realize like how bad of a clutch you actually had until you get a brand new one. This is my first ever brand new clutch too, by the way. Like brand new. Other than like stock OEM, I've had to replace a clutch on my Neon, so I mean, I guess it's not my first. It's my first performance clutch upgrade. Oh my god, you guys just see that jerk? Oh, I'm gonna have to learn how to drive all over again. Oh dude, smooth as butter. Car's sounding a little bit better too, exhaust wise. I'm not hearing the rasp. We put some new exhaust gaskets on, just the 3 on the Y pipe or whatever. Oh, I'm in love. Hell yeah. Man, I definitely do not know what I would have done without Tim. So, if you're watching this, Tim, I fucking appreciate you. Holy shit. But alright guys, that pretty much concludes the video. I appreciate you all tuning in and watching. Like I said, man, shout out to Tim. I would not have been able to do that without him. Like, it was a lot more work than I thought. We ended up not being able to do the rear main seal. We didn't realize that you had to actually pull the oil pan to do it, so that's gonna sit in my little parts bin, unless Z1's willing to let me return it, but I'm not really feeling too hopeful about that. So, oh, the steel line too, the steel clutch line, we didn't get to throw that on. We spent like 10 hours doing all this, I feel like, so I told him that we can just worry about it another day. So smooth. But yeah, like I said guys, that's pretty much the end of the video. I appreciate everyone watching, so don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe. Yeah, that's basically it. Alright man, take it easy.